Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device model and OS version because compatibility matters. Once that's done, check app permissions for microphone, camera, and call access. Missing permissions stop the call UI. Force close the app, then restart the phone to clear transient errors. Make sure the app is updated to the latest release. Updates often restore UI fixes. If you use call forwarding or DND, disable those now so the incoming call can route and present on screen. Next, inspect background activity and battery optimization settings. Aggressive power saving hides incoming call screens. Once adjusted, clear the app cache, and if the problem persists, clear app data only after backing up account info. This resets corrupt states. Make sure system-level call notification channels are enabled. On Android, check notification importance. Test signing into your account on a second device, or use a different account on your phone to determine whether the issue is app-specific or account-specific. To finish, uninstall and reinstall the app. Then test incoming calls on Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network-dependent behavior. If nothing changes, consider a factory reset only after backing up everything, because that clears deep system corruption. If the issue persists, capture app logs, screenshots, and exact OS and app versions, then contact support. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the failure while connected to a computer for log capture. Engineers can resolve faster with precise logs and steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.